Hello everyone. Let's learn some vocabulary for this week. Number 1. Bungalow. Meaning, a one-story cottage. Usage. They spent their summer vacation in a cozy bungalow by the beach. Number 2. Mendacious. Meaning, telling lies, especially habitually, dishonest, lying, untruthful. Usage. Her mendacious behavior made it difficult for anyone to trust her. Number 3. Banish. Meaning, to expel from a country or place by authoritative decree. Usage. Frustrated with constant mistakes, the boss chose to banish the employee to a less important department, giving them fewer responsibilities. Number 4. Endemic. Meaning, natural to or characteristic of a specific people or place. Usage. The koala is endemic to Australia, found nowhere else in the world. Number 5. Diatribe. Meaning, a bitter, sharply abusive denunciation, attack, or criticism. Usage. After the mistake, the teacher went on a diatribe, angrily blaming the class for not paying attention. Number 6. Lethargic. Meaning drowsy, sluggish, apathetic. Usage. A heavy meal at lunch left me feeling lethargic and unmotivated to continue writing my novel. Number 7. Amanuensis. Meaning, a person employed to write what another dictates or to copy what has been written by another. Usage. As an amanuensis, I was responsible for transcribing the professor's lectures and organizing notes. I appreciate you watching. If you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.